ऐसा क्यों होता है गांव में लोग अंग्रेजी नहीं बोल पाते या उनको किस चीज की कमी होती है?
सर मतलब होता है ऐसा कि चिढ़ाने लगते हैं लोग।
ओके, तो लोग क्या करते हैं? चिढ़ाने लगते हैं, यानी अंग्रेजी बोलने से लोग चिढ़ाने लगते हैं। और क्या प्रॉब्लम्स आते हैं जो आप फेस करते हो?
मतलब कंपेनियन नहीं मिल पाता है कि हमारे साथ कोई बोल पाए।
ऑल राइट, एंड सबसे बड़ी प्रॉब्लम होती है वो है एटमॉस्फेयर, राइट? माय नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन गोज टू प्रियंका चोपड़ा। ऑल राइट, ओके प्रियंका, my question goes to you. Do you speak English?
Yes, I speak English.
Do you believe in yourself?
Yes, I believe in
Do you
English.
compare?
Yes, I compare.
All right, everybody. As you can see, 5 trainees are here. I'm right. I'm right or wrong? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Sorry, 6 trainees are here, and they are going to conversate with me, and they are going to practice with me. Well, I would like to confirm. Are you ready to conversate with me? Yes or no? Yes. One more time. Yes or no? Yes. All right. My first question goes to Saloni. Saloni, do you speak English all the time?
Yes, I speak English all the time.
Do you compare?
Yes, I compare.
Do you believe?
Yes, I believe.
Do you like chole bhature?
Yes, I like chole.
Do you speak English in the class?
Yes, I speak English in the class.
Do you compare all the topics?
Yes, I compare all the topics.
Well, are you confident girl or are you not confident girl? You are confident, as I can see on your face that you don't look like a confident person. But once again, I am asking you, are you confident person or are you not confident person? I am confident.
I'm confident.
Okay, all right. My next question goes to Priyanka Chopra. All right. Okay, Priyanka. My question goes to you. Do you speak English?
Yes, I speak English.
Do you believe in yourself?
Yes, I believe in
Do you
English.
compare?
Yes, I compare.
Do you ask question?
Yes, I ask questions.
Do you feel all the moments?
Yes, I feel all the moment.
Do you believe in yourself?
Yes, I believe in yourself. Myself.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue
Why blue? Why not any other color?
because
I like okay.
wearing dresses.
Okay, you like wedding dresses and in terms of blue color, right?
Yes.
Okay, do you like fast food?
Yes, I like fast food.
Can you please tell me all the fast food names that you like all the time?
Chole bhature
Okay.
and burger, pizza.
Okay, burger, pizza, chole bhature. If I give you 3 options, chole bhature, burger, pizza, which will you opt?
Pizza.
Pizza. Okay. What is the spelling of pizza? If you don't mind, I am asking you just.
Sir, I have no idea.
I have no idea. You like pizza, but you don't have idea about the spelling of a pizza. What is the spelling of pizza? Okay, P-I-Z-Z-A. Okay, you are absolutely right. Now it's your turn. Raise me. Do you speak English?
Yes, I speak English.
आप confident हो या nervous हो right now? आप confident हो या nervous हो? As I can see on your face, you look little bit confident and little bit you don't look confident. Right now, are you able to talk with me in English?
Yes.
Do you compare all the topics?
Yes, I compare all topics.
Do you believe in yourself?
Yes, I believe in myself.
Okay, Saloni, do you believe in yourself?
Yes, I believe.
Is this your chocolate?
Yes.
Priyanka, is this your
Yes,
chocolate?
my
Okay, can you please tell me what is the chocolate name? No,
Centerfruit.
it is not chocolate, it is Centerfruit.
Chewing
Okay, do you like that?
Yes, I like that.
Okay, can you please tell me what is the price of this Centerfruit?
That price is 10 rupees.
Okay, that price is 10 rupees. Okay, you purchased or Saloni purchased or Muskan purchased? Who purchased?
Muskan.
Muskan purchased. Okay, do you want to borrow this chocolate from the Muskan?
Yes.
Or just Muskan is offering you?
Offering you.
Offering you. Okay, Muskan is a good girl or a bad girl? She
is a good girl.
She is a good girl. Right now she is smiling or crying?
Sir, she is smiling.
Okay, now Ashish, do you believe in yourself?
Yes, I believe in myself.
Do you speak English?
Yes, I speak English.
Do you compare?
Yes, I compare.
What is your favorite color?
Sir, my favorite color is blood red.
Okay. Can you please tell me who is your favorite person?
My parents.
Your favorite person? Parents. Okay. But can you please tell me when you get up in the morning time, you feel motivation or you don't feel motivation in the morning time?
In the morning time, I feel fully confident and fully
Motivated. Okay. If I talk about your motivation and all that, what do you think about yourself? Will you do great job in the future time or you will do normal type of thing?
Sir, I think I'll do great job in my future time because I'm doing my best for that.
Okay. And आपको क्या लगता है कि आपको इंग्लिश बोल पाना गांव में पॉसिबल है या नहीं है?
I think, sir, this is not possible, but I will try to
स्पीक वाई, ऐसा क्यों होता है गांव में लोग अंग्रेजी नहीं बोल पाते या उनको किस चीज की कमी होती है?
सर मतलब होता है ऐसा कि चिढ़ाने लगते हैं लोग।
ओके, तो लोग क्या करते हैं? चिढ़ाने लगते हैं, यानी अंग्रेजी बोलने से लोग चिढ़ाने लगते हैं। और क्या प्रॉब्लम्स आते हैं जो आप फेस करते हो?
मतलब कंपेनियन नहीं मिल पाता है कि हमारे साथ कोई बोल पाए।
ऑल राइट, एंड सबसे बड़ी प्रॉब्लम होती है वो है एटमॉस्फेयर, राइट? ओके, डोंट वरी, when you will speak English, everybody will like you and everybody will appreciate you in the future time. All right, my next question goes to you. Do you always believe in God?
Yes, I always believe in God.
Okay, can you please tell me when do you get up in the morning time?
I get up in the morning time in 5 o'clock.
What do you think about Amar sir?
Amar sir is good people.
Good people. I am one, not what I'm one. Yes.
You are a good person because you are doing well of yourself.
You are doing great job, right? You can say that. Okay. Do you always wander in the evening time in the market?
No, sir.
I don't wander in the market. Okay. Now, Priyanka, do you wander in the market?
Yes, I want that in the market.
Okay. When do you go in the market?
Yes.
What do you purchase there? Whenever you go in the market, what do you purchase there?
Sir, many things purchase.
Like what? Like what?
Sir, vegetables
Okay.
and other things of in kitchen
Okay.
uses.
Okay. Can you please tell me, Saloni, whenever you go in the market, what do you purchase there?
I'm going market.
Huh? I go in the market, and what do you purchase there?
I go in the market
Huh?
and
I purchase, huh?
dresses,
Okay.
vegetables.
Okay.
Uh,
It is your duty to purchase vegetable, or it is your father's duty?
father's duty.
Sometimes you purchase, right? Okay. Do you believe in God?
Yes, I believe in God.
How do you feel right now? I mean, how are you feeling right now? Are you feeling nervous, or are you confident, or you are just gossiping with your friends?
Just gossip.
Gossiping with friends. Okay, Rizvi, now it's your turn. What do you think about what do you think about Muskan, Saloni, and Priyanka? They are good girls or they are bad girls?
They are good boys.
Have you taken bribe? Bribe. What is the meaning of bribe? Riswat. Have you taken bribe
No, sir.
to give compliment? What do you think about Muskan?
Muskan is a good boy.
And what do you think about Saloni?
Saloni is a good boy.
And what do you think about Priyanka?
Priyanka is a good boy.
And what you all guys think about the Resmi? Resmi is a bad girl. All right, no. See, I'm just kidding with you. Resmi, you are a good girl. Okay, now it's your turn in this. Are you confident person?
Yes, I confident person.
I am. Bolo, yes, I am confident
Yes, I am
person.
confident
Do you
person.
believe in you?
Yes, I believe it.
Do you always speak English?
Yes, I always.
Can you please tell me what is your address?
My address is Atlapura.
Do you speak all the time?
Yes, I speak all the time.
Do you practice?
Yes, I practice.
Do you speak English in the class?
Yes, I speak in the English in the class.
Okay. Do you practice all the time?
Yes, I practice all the time.
Do you believe in you?
Yes, I believe in
Do you
my.
believe in your parents?
Yes, I believe in my parents.
Okay. Do you come here? I mean, do you come every day in the class?
Yes, I come every day in the class.
In the class. Okay. Do you cook food, Muskan? Do you cook food?
Yes, I cook food.
Do you believe in the God?
Yes, I believe in the
Did you speak English yesterday?
Yes, I spoke English yesterday.
Okay. Did you go to market yesterday?
Yes, I went to
Market. Okay. What did you purchase there?
I
Purchased
purchased
there?
there
Huh?
makeup.
Makeup type things. Okay. Okay. Muskan has purchased makeup type things, right? Okay. Priyanka, did you go to market yesterday?
Yes, I went
Market
go
yesterday.
to-
No. I went to the
Went
market
market.
yesterday. Okay. What did you purchase there?
Sir, I purchased vegetables
Okay.
and other things.
Okay. Can you please tell me, whenever you go in the market alone, what do you like to eat there?
Sir, pizza.
Pizza. Before some time you told my favorite fast food is pizza.
Yes.
Saloni, what do you think about pizza? Pizza is a good type of thing, or it is a it is not good for your health.
It is not good for her.
You like that or not?
I like.
It is not good for health, but she likes that. Okay, according to you, Resmi, it is good thing or a bad thing?
It is a bad thing.
Okay, it is a bad thing. What do you think about the fast food? Fast food is good for your health, or it is not good for your health?
Not good for her.
It is not good for health. Okay. Do you believe in God? Yes, I believe in God. Do you practice? Yes, I practice. Do you always practice? Yes, I always practice. Do you speak English in the class? Yes, I speak English in the class. Do you always run in the morning time? Yes, I always run in the morning time. Do you express yourself? Yes, I express myself. Do you feel the goosebumps? Do you feel goosebumps? Yes, I feel goosebumps. Do you practice in the class? Yes, I practice in the class. Do you innovate? Yes, I innovate. Do you practice in that class? Yes, I practice in that class. Do you know my address? Yes, I know your address. Do you believe in your motivation? Yes, I believe in my motivation. All right. सो व्यूअर्स, आपने देखा इन सारे ट्रेनर्स के साथ मैंने किस तरीके से एक एक करके प्रैक्टिस किया. सारी ट्रेनर्स ने मेरे सारे क्वेश्चंस का जवाब दिया. इट्स ऑल अबाउट प्रैक्टिसिंग ऑल द टाइम. व्हेन यू प्रैक्टिस मोर एंड मोर, रियली you will feel good things. You will understand how to speak English. क्योंकि होता क्या है कि हम में से बहुत सारे लोग गांव से बिलोंग करते हैं. जैसे कि आशीष ने कहा कि जब हम इंग्लिश बोलते हैं गांव में तो हमारा लोग मजाक उड़ाते हैं या लोग हमें चिढ़ाते हैं. एंड नो डाउट्स ये चीज आपके साथ भी हैपनिंग होता होगा, ये आपके साथ भी हैपन होता होगा और ऐसा लोग करते हैं. बट डोंट वरी अबाउट दैट. हमें लोगों को नहीं देखना है कि लोग हमारे बारे में क्या सोचते हैं. इट्स ऑल अबाउट प्रैक्टिस. लैंग्वेज इंग्लिश क्या है? एक लैंग्वेज है और इसे बस हमें सीखना होता है. Whether we live in the village or we live in the city, it doesn't matter. All you have to do practice all the time. All you have to do is struggle from morning till evening. All you have to do learn all the words in outstanding way. इन सारे ट्रेनिज ने काफी मेहनत किया ऑफलाइन क्लासेस में और अपने घर पे उन सारे सेंटेंस को, उन सारे कॉन्सेप्ट्स को समझाया. तब जाकर कि दे आर एबल टू प्रैक्टिस विद मी, दे आर एबल टू कॉन्वर्सेट विद मी. राइट नाउ you all guys live in the village or in city? हाँ, in village. ये ऑफलाइन क्लासेस में आते हैं मेरे साथ, नो डाउट्स बहुत मस्ती भी करते हैं और प्रैक्टिस भी करते हैं. बहुत सारे जोक्स अपार्ट, बहुत सारे नए नए वर्ड्स को सीखना, नए नए सेंटेंस को सीखना, कॉन्सेप्ट को सीखना. एंड राइट नाउ दे आर एबल टू स्पीक जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ देयर प्रैक्टिस. ये लोग मिल करके प्रैक्टिस किए अपने ऑफलाइन क्लासेस में. और गांव में सबसे बड़ी प्रॉब्लम होती है वो है एटमॉस्फेयर की हमें कमी होती है. एटमॉस्फेयर ना मिलने की वजह से हम इंग्लिश को बोल नहीं पाते. बट डोंट वरी, आपको एटमॉस्फेयर नहीं मिला, दैट इज नॉट द प्रॉब्लम. द प्रॉब्लम इज दैट यू आर नॉट वर्किंग हार्ड. द प्रॉब्लम इज दैट कि आप प्रैक्टिस नहीं कर रहे. जब आप प्रैक्टिस करोगे डेफिनेटली आपको हर वो चीज स्टेप बाय स्टेप आएगा. आपको वो डेडिकेशन मिलेगा, आपको वो एनर्जी मिलेगा, आपको वो कॉन्फिडेंस मिलेगा. क्योंकि जब आप छोटे छोटे सीढ़ियों पे चलना स्टार्ट करोगे तब जाकर के अपने मंजिल पे पहुंचोगे. सो ऑलवेज रिमेंबर, if you want to speak English fluently, if you want to speak English clearly, try to work hard all the time because it is your responsibility and duty to improve your English. बहुत सारे ऐसे लोग हैं जिनको इंग्लिश बोलने में प्रॉब्लम्स होते हैं. बहुत सारे ऐसे लोग हैं जो कहीं ना कहीं अपने डे टू डे लाइफ में इंग्लिश की वजह से स्टक होते हैं. तो वहां पे सिर्फ और सिर्फ एक चीज काम आएगा, दैट इज प्रैक्टिस, प्रैक्टिस, प्रैक्टिस. Till then, keep practicing as much as you can, and I always say, if you want to speak English fluently, do only one thing, and that is stop wishing, start speaking. Thank you so much, everybody.